Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to convert a number of hours to days in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, you should be able to take the number of hours in cell B2 and convert that to a number of days in cell B3. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So right here I have a project deadline, and I know that I have 5,000 hours on my project. But it'd be more helpful to know how many days is 5,000 hours. So if I click in B3, I'm just going to type equals, and then I'm going to click on my number of hours, and I'm going to do divided by 24 and hit enter. And I can see that that is 208.33 days. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Now, if I have today's date here, and I want to know when the project deadline date is going to be, if I click in B5 and type equals, and then I click on today's date, and then the plus sign, and the number of days that I have right here in B3 and hit enter, I can see that 208 days after today is 3/3/2025. Now, obviously, you're not going to work 24 hours a day unless you have 3 shifts of people and you are calculating man hours right here. So it is possible that in B3, you may want to divide this by 8 hours instead of 24. It just depends on your perspective for the calculation, whether it's man hours or it's a single person's hours working 8 hours a day. There's some other ways that you can convert hours to days, and we go over some of those options out on our blog. And I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.